what's your idea? Yeah, we can try walking around it that way. You guys want to try that? Let's all face to our left. Face to our left. If you have a little trouble with left and right, like I do